Hey guys, what's going on? Making some chicken fried rice tonight. God bless you. Over there, the neighbors. So tonight we're making some chicken fried rice. We're just doing a quick, easy one. We're gonna use frozen vegetables. That's right, frozen vegetables. This wasn't really planned. It's just what we have in the fridge. So that, and also the chicken. So most of my chicken videos, people are like, you didn't rinse the chicken, but that's fine. In my opinion is, you don't have to rinse the chicken. If you rinse the chicken in your kitchen, then my opinion is that you're just gonna spread the bacteria around your kitchen. As long as you cook it thoroughly on your grill, your griddle, whatever it is, in my opinion, you're fine. So FDA agrees, but to each his own. That's what we're gonna do tonight. And it's gonna be awesome. And we'll see you in a minute. All right, tonight we're gonna start with some chicken. Throw some oil down. Spatula was still a little bit wet from cleaning it. And here we go. All right, so I'm gonna move these guys around, cut them up a little bit. Found it's a lot easier to cut them once they've started cooking a little bit. So let me do that first. All right, well, I got the chicken cooking. Gonna go ahead and throw some vegetables on. Got it about medium heat over here. Do I? It was almost medium heat. And these are just super easy. Just open them up and go. And they taste fine. Again, we're not trying to get fancy here. We're just trying to get better than takeout. So I'm gonna spread these out a little bit. Throw some water down. We'll let that go. Meanwhile, these guys are probably ready to get cut. Now that they're a little bit cooked, should be easy. And it'll take a while. We'll see you in a minute. All right, we got these going pretty well. I'm gonna go ahead and throw a little bit of soy sauce down, mix it in. Got the good size. Mix these in a little bit while they're cooking. All right, so we're gonna check on the vegetables now. These are looking pretty good. So let me get rid of some of these things and we'll start on the rice. All right, now it's time for the rice. I threw some oil down. So I did the rice earlier today. put it on the pan in the fridge for a little while. Let's see if it came out all right. Still a little sticky looking. We'll break it up. So it's chopping through it. Probably add a little oil to it here. I didn't clean the griddle after the chicken and everything. So now we got all the goodness from that going into the rice. A little oil down, a little soy sauce down. Woo! A little salt. And our friend little pepper. Yeah, let's mix it up. All right, so we're letting this go a little bit. We want to get a couple of them nice and crispy, but most of it just cooked. I mean, the rice is already cooked. So we're just kind of heating it up, moving it around. So that's good. So next, we're gonna get some, we got 3 eggs from our chickens. And I'm just gonna crack them down and then mix them up. All right. And we'll add this right to the rice, and then we'll add all the other stuff right to the rice. Nice, love it. Those dirty eggs. They're sopping up all the good stuff off the griddle. All right, so next we have this chicken. Let's add the chicken back. And remember the vegetables? We'll add those back. Now, let's take both spatulas and just mix it all together. Nice. That's looking good. Let me give you a close-up here. Look at that. You got the chicken, you got the egg, you got the rice, you got the vegetables. Got my finger in the camera, you saw that? So let me, somebody's clapping in the background. All right, let me finish this up. We'll plate it up and we'll see you out here in a minute. All right, guys, now that the griddle's clean, I'm gonna chow down. It tastes awesome. So, sorry. If you have any questions, put them down below. Any comments at all? I mean, it's easy. And especially if you use frozen vegetables and stuff, don't make it a huge deal. Just make it, enjoy it. And it tastes great. So let me know below if you've made it, what you think, and we'll see you next time. Thanks for watching.